In this video, I will show you how you can share your screen while video calling on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has finally introduced the screen sharing option on their platform. Let's discuss how you can use this feature. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then video call a contact. Here you will find the three dot menu from the top left corner. Tap on the three dot menu and here you will find share screen. Tap on share screen and it will ask you the permission, and it also asks you on which app you want to share the screen, any particular app or the entire screen. Tap as your preference and then start sharing your screen. Let's check the shared screen from another phone. Let's see how it works. You can see we have successfully shared our screen on WhatsApp video call. Let's go to the home page and open some apps. Here you can see we are now in YouTube. Let's go back and open Facebook. This is very smooth and real time we are watching this. And let's open another app. Let's go to our menu. Here we can open any app. Let's open Daraj. Here we can see everything is working fine. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can share your screen on WhatsApp. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.